How to make a bootable USB. To make a USB drive bootable, you'll need Rufus software and ISO file of the operating system. Download Rufus from its official website. You can download an ISO file from the official website of the operating system. Now, you'll need to follow these general steps. Prepare the USB drive, connect the USB drive to your computer and ensure that you have backup copies of any important data on the drive. Formatting the USB drive will erase all its contents. Run the Rufus as an administrator. Select your USB drive. Ensure that the partition scheme is set to MBR for BIOS/UEFI compatibility. Choose the file system as FAT32 or NTFS. Choose the downloaded ISO file by clicking the Select button in the Boot Selection section. Click Start button to start the process and wait for the process to complete. Your flash drive is ready to boot your system.